High heels weren't originally made for women, they were actually invented for male soldiers. In 10th century Persia, cavalry troops wore heels to lock their feet securely into their stirrups while riding horses. It was pure military hardware designed to help them shoot bows and arrows with deadly accuracy.
So to get started, in After Effects, let's create a new composition. We'll keep it to vertical, 1080 by 1920. Just press on OK. Perfect. Now let's drag and drop the audio to the timeline. Let's hear our scene 1 together.
High heels weren't originally made for women.
High heels were not originally meant for women. I created this audio using 11 Labs. Let's go over here. See over here in 11 Labs, I had put the script, then chose the audio as Adam and just clicked on Generate Speech. Next, on top of this, let's add the background. For that, let's add a solid. I will keep it black. Just press on OK. Next, over this, let's go to the top, select the rectangle tool. Coming over here, I'm going to create a shape like this. Perfect. Let's press on V and take these 2 pointers and drag them like this. Perfect. Our background is ready. For our scene 1, the sentence is, high heels were originally made for women. So for that, I have this asset. Let me just drag and drop it over here. When you add in GLB formats in After Effects, you get this pop-up. Don't make any changes, just press on OK. Perfect. As you can see over here, if I press on R and play around with the rotations, see we have got a nice 3D asset. Now let me show you the awesome tool that I've used to create the asset. For this, let's head on to Meshy. So over here in Meshy, you get 2 options. Either you can drag and drop your own image over here, or you can generate an image using Meshy and then turn that into 3D. I've chosen the second option for this particular image. Let me show you what I've done. See, coming inside the model, I simply pasted the prompt over here. Keep the aspect ratio. You can choose a number of images and just click on Generate. Within seconds, I got all these images. This is the one which I liked. After this, all I need to do was turn this image to 3D. If I just click over here, see the task will be created successfully. Next, you have to go to Models. So this is what the result will look like. In order to give it the colors, you have to just click on Texture. Over here, again, you get 2 options, but they are pretty simple. Either you can add the text if you want something specific, or in my case, I already had the image. I just clicked on Texture. Once you do this, again a new task will be created. As you can see over here, a new task is created. Once it loads, it should look something like this. Looks pretty cool, right? So after that, you have to just click on the download option and just click on the GLB format. Let me show you the other option as well. In case you have an image, you can just drag and drop it over here. See, we have this warrior. You can choose the view and then just click on Generate. See, I have already done it over here. This is the default one that gets generated. See. Just from this image, you get a proper 3D object. Awesome, right? And next, you have to just click on Texture, and in the image input, just again click on Texture. That way, this texture will be dropped on top of this image. It will look something like this. Cool. So in similar fashion, I have generated all these images that you see over here. So if you want to check out Meshy, just click the first link in the description and get 50% off. Now let's head on to After Effects. So let's zoom in a bit. Let's hear the audio.
High heels weren't originally made for women.
Okay, it ends somewhere over here at 2 seconds. Let's trim this on the right. Perfect. So let's start animating this. Selecting the layer, I'll press on P for position, add a keyframe over here. Let me drag it a little ahead, somewhere at this point. Now at the beginning, I'm going to drag this little down over here.
High heels weren't originally made.
Okay, again selecting both the keyframes, press on F9. Now going to the graph. Let's keep it something like this.
High heels weren't originally.
Okay, at the beginning, I'm going to drag it a little down, somewhere over here.
High heels weren't originally made for women. They were actually invented.
Next, to add some rotation, let's select Y rotation at this point. Somewhere like this. Okay, at this point, it will be facing the front.
High heels weren't originally made for women.
Perfect. I'll just drag it a little ahead.
High heels weren't originally made for women. They were.
Perfect. I'll just rotate the X as well, little bit.
High heels weren't originally made for women.
I'll drag it little down over here. Perfect. The reason we are doing it so that we can have some space over here on the top. Perfect. Now let's start adding the text over here. High heels. To animate the text, let's go over here. Add opacity. Make this nil. Add a keyframe offset at the beginning. At this point, I think coming over here, let's make it 100%. Go to advanced. Over here, instead of square, just change it to ramp up. And in the offset, let's make this as -100. Let me see.
High heels.
Perfect. Now let's take a copy of this, drag it a little down, reduce the size. This should be quite small, maybe around 30. I think this is very small. Around 50 would be fine. Okay. Let me see the text. Weren't originally for women. I will just copy this. Coming over here, you can just paste it. Let's keep it over here. Selecting this, I'll just make it little bigger. Okay, around 170. Selecting this, press on U. Copy both the keyframes, drag it a little ahead. Let me see.
High heels weren't originally made for women.
Perfect. Our scene 1 is completed. Now in order to transition from scene 1 to scene 2, we are going to use the null layer. For that, let's add the null object. From over here, select all these layers, everything apart from the background. Let's parent it to null 1. So now somewhere over here, before the animation ends, let me press on U. So the animation ends at this point, correct? So over here, selecting this layer, press on S for scale. Going ahead at this point, let's simply zoom out. Like this. Perfect. At this point, we are also going to add keyframes in the opacity for these other layers. In fact, let me just drag it a little ahead. Now for all these 3 layers, let's press on T, add keyframes in opacity. Going ahead, let's make this as nil.
They were actually invented.
Perfect. Now selecting all keyframes, press on F9. Going somewhere in the middle, we're going to trim all these layers. So let's go over here, select this point, drag it to the center like this. Again select this point, drag it towards the center like this. Perfect. Same thing for the red one and same thing for the blue one. Perfect. Let's go back. Now just select all these 3 layers and trim them on the right.
They were actually.
Perfect. Now over here, we have to add our next scene. Let's see the audio. They're actually invented for male soldiers. Correct? So let me add the male soldier over here. Looks awesome. So now going at this point, so remember, we have to take it to the point where we had ended the keyframes. So now coming to this point, we have to just parent this to the null. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Now over here, let's trim this on the left.
They were actually in.
Perfect. I feel at this point, this should be already rotating. So I just press on R, add a keyframe in the Y rotation. Let's take it over here. Let's rotate it like this. See, there's one issue over here. As you can see, it's not really rotating from the center. Like unlike this one, which is rotating from the center, this one is rotating maybe like from this point. Okay. So in order to adjust that, you have to press on A. That will open up the anchor point. Just increase the anchor point in the Z rotation. See, like this. Now if you again press on R and now try to rotate it. See. Let's keep it around 80. And we'll press on R. Now let's check. No, this is still a little weird. I'll do one thing. I'll just remove these keyframes. Let me see this. No. We'll need to just play around with this a bit. Around 70. Yeah, 70 is fine. Perfect. So now let's add keyframe in the Y rotation over here. Let me keep it 0 for now. Okay. Now going with the first keyframe. Let's keep it like this.
Actually invented for male.
Okay. Let's drag it a little ahead.
Were actually invented for.
Perfect. Now let's go over here. Let's keep it as nil.
They were actually invented.
So now once this ends, at this point, let's add a keyframe in the Y rotation. From here to around 4 seconds, let's rotate him. Like this.
Were actually invented for male.
Maybe a little earlier.
They were actually invented for male soldiers.
Perfect. Let's quickly add the text as well. So for that, let's just take a copy of this text over here by pressing on Command D, drag it up, take it on the right. Let's keep it over here, make it a little bigger. I'll just copy this text. They've actually invented. Okay. Let's press on U to see the keyframes.
Actually invented for.
Let's drag it a little earlier.
They were actually invented for male soldiers.
Male soldiers. So let's add the word male soldiers over here. Again, for that, you can take a copy of this, drag it up, take it to the right. I'll just write male soldiers. Perfect. Now to ensure that this is on the top. Okay, press on P. See the keyframes. Just drag him little ahead. Let's see.
For women, they were actually invented for male soldiers.
I think this should come a little earlier.
For male soldiers.
Perfect. So in this way, our scene 1 and scene 2 are completed.
High heels weren't originally made for women, they were actually invented for male soldiers.
After this, let's observe the text for our scene 3. In 10th century Persia, cavalry troops wore heels to lock their feet. Okay. Now in order to transition to scene 3, we're going to remove everything out and bring the elements of scene 3 in the center. So for that, select our null, press on P for position, add a keyframe over here. Let me see where the animation ends. Over here, right? So little earlier than that.
In 10th century,
So from here till here, I'm going to drag everything out. Like this.
soldiers. In 10th,
Perfect. Now again selecting both keyframes, press on F9. Going to the graph. I want to keep it very steep like this. And now at this point, we'll just trim all these 3 layers. Let's trim them on the right.
soldiers. In 10th century,
I feel this is too fast. I'll do one thing. I'll just drag them again till this point. And then going to the position over here. Let's keep it like this. Okay.
soldiers. In 10th century,
So now coming to this point, let's add the map of Persia. We drag and drop it. Oh, we need to flip it. Not an issue. Just press on rotate. Just rotate it like this. Perfect. Also, I'm going to keep it little over here. Awesome. So now at this point, it should come in. So we will connect it to the null. Let me see.
soldiers. In 10th century Persia,
I think this is very fast. Let's do one thing. Let's drag it a little ahead.
in 10th century Persia,
Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll just connect all of them. Drag them little ahead.
in 10th century Persia,
I get little back.
in 10th century Persia,
Perfect. This is fine. I'm just going to ensure that for all these layers, right, the motion blur is also turned off. Now selecting this, let's again add some movement. So here we'll add keyframe in the Z rotation. Going ahead.
cavalry
Going ahead somewhere at this point. Let's rotate it like this. I think it should be over here. Let me see from the beginning. Okay, maybe at this point we can rotate it the other side. Let's see. Perfect.
in 10th century Persia, cavalry troops
Okay, let's drag it little ahead.
for male soldiers. In 10th century Persia,
Okay. I'll quickly add the text as well. Sanctuary.
in 10th century Persia,
Now let's drag everything to the right. Again for that, we have to use the null object. So selecting this, press on U. Somewhere at this point, we'll start the animation.
cavalry troops
The cavalry troops, right? So we'll add a keyframe in the position. Going ahead to 6 seconds. Let's drag everything to the right. Let me in fact increase this a bit. Going to 6 seconds. Let's drag everything to the right. Like this.
cavalry troops wore
Yeah, looks pretty smooth, right?
cavalry troops wore
Let's simply add the cavalry troops. Let's drag and drop the knight over here. We can press on OK. So at this position, it should be in the center, right? Just parent this to the null. Let's press on R and rotate it like this. Okay, I think the size could be a little smaller. Perfect. Let me see. Okay, let's press on position. Back it a little to the right. At this point, let's drag this in the center like this. Let's see.
cavalry troops wore heels to
Looks pretty good. Over here, it should be in the center like this. So after this, in order to zoom in on this, let's add a keyframe in the scale like this. Also, we'll add a keyframe in the rotation. This is the Z rotation, right? Is the Y rotation. So we'll add a keyframe over here. So now going ahead.
wore heels to lock their feet securely into their stirrups while riding horses.
Okay, so it will come all the way till this point. Let's zoom in slightly like this. And also rotate it. Maybe rotate it the other side like this. Perfect. Let me see.
Troops wore heels to lock their feet securely into their stirrups while riding horses.
I think this is little abrupt. I'll just come over here. Can keep it somewhat like this.
Cavalry troops wore heels to lock their feet.
And keep it somewhat like this.
Cavalry troops wore heels to lock their feet.
And now for the rotation. Let's ensure that it starts little earlier. Okay.
Troops wore heels to lock their feet securely into their stirrups while riding horses.
I'll just quickly add the text.
Stirrups while riding horses.
Perfect. Once the text is ready, you will shift everything up. So just select the null again. Press on U. Add keyframe the position. Somewhere at this point, we'll just drag everything up like this. Perfect. Let's see.
stirrups while riding horses. It was pure.
So now over here, I'm just going to write the simple text. Ensure that this is connected to the null one at this point. Let me see where the text is. It's all the way over here. Not an issue. Just drag and drop it over here. Let me see.
Pure military hardware.
It was pure military hardware, correct? I'll just copy this. Just write it like this.
It was pure military hardware.
Drag it down. Let's set military. Just increase the size. Just take one more copy. Selecting all, I'll just reduce the size a bit. Perfect. Selecting all three of them. Let's just drag it up in the center. Perfect. Let me see. Let's press on U to see the keyframes. Let's drag it ahead.
Horses. It was pure military hardware.
Perfect. I think we can do one more thing. This looks too bland, right? So I'll just select this, press on P. Drag it a little to the left. Okay. And this last text can be a little on the right, like this.
Riding horses. It was pure military hardware.
Perfect. Now for the last scene, I'll just drag everything to the left. Where is our null? Okay. Let me press on U again. From here till here, we'll shift everything to the left, like this. Perfect.
Hardware design.
Now at this point, we'll add the last character. Again, as you can see over here, we have created this character in Meshy. See, it looks something like this. Cool. Let's drag and drop this character over here. Press on OK. Now at this point, let's press on S, decrease the size a bit. Let's parent this to the null. Let's see. I think it can be over here. Let's go in position and drag him in the center now. Nice. Let's see the rotations. Nice.
Shoot bows and arrows with deadly accuracy.
So again, we'll rotate this. So add a keyframe over here. At this point. Perfect. Now going here to around 15 seconds. We'll just rotate him like this. Perfect. Let's see.
Hardware designed to help them shoot bows and arrows with deadly accuracy.
Selecting all keyframes, just press on F9. Going to the graph, we'll keep it something like this.
Designed to help them shoot bows and arrows with deadly accuracy.
I'll just quickly add the text over here.
Designed to help them shoot bows and arrows.
Perfect. So let's have a quick look from the beginning.
High heels weren't originally made for women. They were actually invented for male soldiers. In 10th century Persia, cavalry troops wore heels to lock their feet securely into their stirrups while riding horses. It was pure military hardware designed to help them shoot bows and arrows with deadly accuracy.
So in this way, guys, just by using Meshy AI to generate all the 3D assets, we were able to create this awesome video. I would like to thank Meshy for sponsoring the video. If you want to check out the website, you can see the first link in the description. That's it guys for today. I'll catch you very soon next time.